had a great holiday season. It is currently Tuesday, December 27th, and we are en route to the shed to see how bad the blizzard was out there. We've been stuck in town for the past 3 days. It started snowing and blizzarding on Christmas Day, and they had the interstate closed, so we couldn't get down to our place. So we're gonna just go and see if we can even get down there right now. So we'll see you when we get there. All right, everyone. Well, as you can see, the roads were plowed, so we got down here no problem. We got a little space right here where we will be able to pull in and park, but where we all shoveled over there, all drifted over. In the size comparison to the Subaru, geez, that's really deep over there, guys. And over there where I'm pointing where the wood at, the little wood pallets are, that's where our wood pile is. So it looks like we have, I don't know, maybe 1.5 feet of snow on it. When we had the blizzard, it snowed 17 inches and it looked like it all drifted up in this area. So we're gonna have to get a snowblower out here again, I think. I'm not even gonna try to walk through that. Right there, it's up to my waist, but looks like it didn't get as bad out here as it did in Bismarck. When we go back to Kristen's folks, I will show you what their alleyway looks like. It's really pretty intense, guys. So let's go take a look at that.